Speed established. Coming through. Hello. Whoa, hey.
You know, Charlie, this isn't so bad after all.
Now for the best part.
Charlie, you can't be serious. Look how far down it is.
Relax, Itch. There ain't nothing a terrific twosome cannot do. Remember that.
Charlie, we are not going to go down that. I did. Huh? That was great.
Hey, I told you we could do it, my friend. Hey, where are we anyway? Ooh. Oh, this place is perfect. It's a park. It's a party.
It's enemy territory.
Huh? What enemy?
The monster that we have heard stories about since we were...
You don't mean...
The meanest, most doggone dog catcher in the whole world, J.C. Taggart. We've got to get off his turf before it's too late.
Aw, that's a ghost story to scare kids with, Itch. Taggart's just a regular dog catcher. The terrific twosome here can take him.
If you ask me, I don't think it's a good idea, Charlie.
Yeah, that's what you said about the skateboard. Come on, loosen up. Ah. All right. Here, Itchy. Here, boy.
Oh, all right. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I mean, the worst scenario is...
Taggart!
No!
No tags. Now, let's ask ourselves, are you traveling alone or are you traveling with a friend? Your tags seem to be in order. Guess that means it's just you and me, Stray.
Charlie?
Thanks, kid. I owe you one.
Charlie boy! Help! Oh!